Need to fix Roblox lost connection due to error 257. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how you can fix this issue. First thing first, you need to head over to Safari. Inside Safari, in the address bar, search for Roblox outage. You can head over to the very first site, Roblox status. In this page, you can check whether all the feature of Roblox is operating properly or not. Once you have checked in here, now you can go back and move into another site. Check whether the server is down or not. Sometimes the server might be down. In that case, all you gotta do is wait for the server to get fixed, and then you'll be good to go. If not, head over to the App Store or the settings of a device. Inside settings, you need to move into General, and then head over to iPhone storage. Inside iPhone storage, search for the application Roblox. Once found, move into it. Click on Offload App. Once again, tap on Offload App. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should definitely fix the issue that you have been facing on Roblox, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.